With style guides in GitBook, you can train GitBook's AI agent on your specific style and voice rules, ensuring that every update, whether it's created by an AI agent or a member of your team, matches the tone and style of the rest of your documentation. You can create a style guide for an individual doc site or for all your sites. To set one up, open a doc site and select Style Guide in the sidebar. Here you can choose from one of 3 built-in templates. We've added summarized versions of Microsoft and Google's existing style guides, as well as our own pre-built template, to give you a solid starting point if you just want consistency across your docs. If you already have an existing style guide, you can upload it as a file or import it from a URL. Once you've selected the style guide template you want, you can edit it at any time, either within the GitBook app or from GitHub or GitLab if you prefer. It works just like any other content in GitBook, so you can open a change request to edit and merge when you're ready. Right now, style guides are a single page only, and the agent will only read this page, so make sure it contains all the information and rules you need. It goes without saying that you should review the whole style guide before you start using it. Tweak any parts you want, and pay particular attention to areas that specifically need your input. These are highlighted by a hint block to make them easy to find. One other important thing to note is that enforceable rules have IDs. These are important because they allow the AI agent to cite the rule when they flag violations, allowing you to trace the precise rule that's been broken. Make sure you add an ID to any new rules you create too, or the AI won't be able to flag them. Once your style guide is set up, you can simply ask the agent to review your work in any change request. It'll check your docs against the guide, fix any errors, and flag any rule-breaking violations ready for you to review.